drill bits, new for old. What do you think? And how do we do it? Rusty old drill bits to beautiful, clean, new looking drill bits. They're not new. They just look it because of the restoration. Okay, watch it now, I'll show you what to do. Stage 1. You soak it in this for 24 hours. Then transfer them to another container. Fill it with water. Put a good sealed lid on. Give it a good shake. Dirty water. Go and empty it. A metal and water does not go well together. You need to get rid of it as quickly as you can. What you just spent 24 hours removing, we'll come back again. And then, dinner tray. Stand it on the fire, like so, and let it cook. And leave them until they all dry. Won't take long on there. Now we have no rust, but they're disgusting. They're just black, dirty, old looking things. That we need to remedy. Here we have a jig I set up for me disc sander with a 240 grit paper on there, just to polish up the drill bits. Let's do it. There, now they're a lot more presentable. Just a little bit of polishing, that's all it takes. Next, of course, if there were twist drills, would come the sharpening process. We'd start with something like this, which would be on your grindstone, finishing with something like this on an oil stone, sandpaper, whatever it is you want to sharpen it on. But that's for another lesson. Okay, right, well, hope that's enlightened you to some more. I encourage you to go and do yours, if you want. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now.